blog posts are one of those things that like everyone forgets about, even myself. Like it just gets pushed down your list of to-dos, and I totally understand, but they're really important and they really don't have to be that hard. And so just a few little tips for your cleaning business blog. First of all, if you don't have a blog on your cleaning business website, it's a really important thing to put up for search engine purposes so that you get found. But it's also a really great way to just set yourself apart from a lot of the big franchises. One of the things that I do when I work with our cleaning businesses and as well as other people's local businesses is I try to be as local as possible, because it's something the big franchises can't do. They can't talk about the community you live in, and like the different things that you know about where you live, like the best restaurants or schools or activities or all of those little things. The big companies can't do that because they're huge franchises, and so they don't know the places as well as you do. So be as local as possible. And so if you go to the San Diego Green Clean website and you check out the blog, we try to at least put a blog post out once a month. You really should be doing one once a week if you can. But like I said, I know it gets busy. Even for us, it gets busy. So don't even worry about it if you can't do it every week. But some of the things we talk about are like restaurant recommendations, or like places that you love to go for a hike or a walk. Like you can do little lists like that. And then the benefit of doing these blog posts is that then you have a reason to email your list. So that should be another thing, especially if you're in our course, my husband's course, not really my course, but if you're in the course, you'll see that we talk about creating an email list. And so for customers that you either they're already a customer of yours, or if they are, was a former customer and maybe they paused their cleaning, or if they were interested and you gather their email. So anyway, you have this list of all these people, and it's really important to continue to talk to them. And so when you create a blog post, that's one of the things we always do, is if once we get a blog post up and published, an email goes out with it, because it's just another way that you're able to stay in touch with them. And so sometimes you can convert people that have either left or that were thinking about it. You send out an email, you say, hey, have you been to these restaurants? We'd love to know what's your favorite local restaurant in town. Oh, and by the way, if you want to have more time to go out to eat at a restaurant, get our team to come and clean your house for you, right? And then you put a link there. You can add special offers or bonuses, like, hey, if you read this blog and you open this email, we'll give you 25% off your next clean, or different things like that. So blog posts are just an excuse to get back into your lists inbox. And that's really powerful. Some of the other things that we do on our blog, if you go and you see articles that we write about, are cleaning, obviously, cleaning tips. People love to get those from cleaning businesses, because our businesses are non-toxic and eco-friendly. We do essential oil type of blog posts where we talk about the different oils that you can use in your house. We do organization strategies, how to organize your kitchen or tidy up your living room, and things like that. And I mean, if you really wanted to, you can monetize your blog posts. So if you set up an Amazon account and then you add products in, your email list, and you say, hey, I recommend this basket or this whatever for your kitchen. Now you can hook up your Amazon account so that if someone on your cleaning list clicks on that link, then you get paid an affiliate commission. So there's all sorts of cool ways that you can make writing the blogs. You can incentivize yourself to do it. You can think about what kind of products you can include in it, just general advice. But the more active you can be and the more local you can be, you'll get a whole lot of fans on there, and just stay in touch with people. So it's really important. I'd love to know what questions you guys have about blogging, whether it's about writing blog posts, publishing blog posts. If you have a really good strategy that's winning right now, I'd love for you to share it with us down below. And yeah, I'm here to help you with any content things. So let me know if you have any questions about anything. And I hope you guys are having a good day.